In this video, you'll learn how to convert USDT to ZAR on the Bitget platform. This guide will walk you through each step of the process, ensuring a smooth conversion experience. Start by navigating to the Bitget Exchange website. Once the page loads, you will see the main interface of the platform. Ensure that your internet connection is stable to avoid disruptions during the process. Next, locate the trade option on the main menu. Click on it to access the trading features. After selecting trade, the screen will refresh, displaying various trading options available on Bitget. Once this appears, click on Convert and Block Trade. This option will direct you to the conversion interface, where you can exchange different cryptocurrencies. Be aware that large transactions may take longer due to network confirmations. After that, you will see an interface with various fields for input. Click on From to specify the currency you are converting from. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select the cryptocurrency. Select USDT from the list. This will confirm that you want to convert from Tether. The interface will update, showing you the current conversion rate for USDT. Now, click on to specify the target currency. A similar drop-down will appear. Here, type ZAR to indicate that you want South African Rand as your target currency. Select ZAR from the drop-down menu. Once chosen, the interface will display the current exchange rate for converting USDT to ZAR. It's essential to check this rate as it affects how much ZAR you will receive. Next, click on Conversion Rate to review the details of the exchange. This will provide you with additional information about the current market conditions and any applicable fees. After reviewing the conversion rate, click on Convert to initiate the transaction. A confirmation message will appear detailing the amount being converted and the expected output in ZAR. Once you confirm the transaction, the system will process your request. Depending on your internet speed and the amount being converted, this may take a few moments. Keep an eye on the progress indicator. After the conversion is completed, you will receive a notification confirming the successful transaction. Check your wallet balance to ensure that the ZAR has been credited appropriately. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.